Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and car. Make sure your iPhone is updated, Siri is enabled, and the ignition is in on or ACC so MMI runs. Once done, use an Apple certified Lightning cable and plug into the Audi Q5's USB-A or USB-C CarPlay port. Make sure the phone is unlocked. The MMI often prompts only when the phone is active. If you see a CarPlay icon on the MMI home screen, you're ready for the next configuration step. Now configure MMI and authorize the phone. Navigate the MMI menu to telephone or smartphone settings and select Apple CarPlay. Then look at your iPhone and tap Trust or Allow when the CarPlay prompt appears. This grants permissions for contacts and navigation. If the MMI asks to pair via Bluetooth first, complete pairing to enable hands-free calling and media controls. Make sure to accept prompts on both devices. Once MMI shows the CarPlay layout, finish by testing core apps. Launch Maps, make a call, play music to confirm audio routing and controls respond through MMI. Once connected, customize the CarPlay layout on your iPhone under Settings right arrow General right arrow CarPlay right arrow Audi Q5 so your most used apps are front and center. If CarPlay fails to appear, restart the iPhone and MMI, swap to a different Apple certified cable, and verify the MMI software is up to date. These quick steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.